Hi, my name is Sid Norwitz. I work at Cartridge, Rhode Island. Today I'm going to show you a classic issue with an all-in-one printer. If you ever have the issue where you're copying or scanning an image with something that has a glass like this, a lot of the times there's dust, whiteout, or certain things that actually get stuck on this piece of glass right here that no one ever cleans. So what I'll do is I've already put a couple marks on that, and what I'll show you guys is I'll make a copy. And as you will see, multiple lines. The best way to clean that is grabbing yourself an alcohol wipe from a first aid kit. You can buy these. And what you want to do is you want to scrub this glass piece. We use alcohol wipes because the alcohol evaporates. You don't want to pour water on top of a printer. After you've kind of scrubbed at it, if you have whiteout, you can use your nail to kind of pick at it. Let it dry for a minute or so. And then after it dries, do another test. And as you'll see, the lines are gone. So again, this is how to fix any lines that are on your copying or scanning of an all-in-one printer.